Let's face it, period cramps are the worst. The sharp, persistent pain can take over your day, leaving you feeling drained and helpless. But what if I told you that natural remedies can actually help you fight back and find relief? From soothing heat packs to surprising solutions, I'm about to share the best ways to tackle those cramps without popping a pill. Stick around to discover simple, effective remedies that really work. Let's kick those cramps to the curb. 1. Applying heat. Instant comfort. Heat therapy is one of the oldest and simplest ways to manage menstrual cramps. When applied to the abdomen or lower back, heat can stimulate blood flow, relax the muscles in the uterus, and reduce the pain caused by those intense contractions. You can use a heating pad, hot water bottle, or even a microwavable heat pack for this purpose. Some people find soaking in a warm bath is not only soothing for the uterus, but also helps relax the entire body, easing tension in your back and legs. If you're feeling a little extra, a hot compress placed on your lower abdomen or back can also help you sleep better during your period. The warmth encourages muscle relaxation, preventing the cramps from becoming overwhelming. And for those with more severe cramps, alternating between cold and heat can offer additional relief, as cold reduces inflammation and heat targets muscle stiffness. 2. Gentle exercise. Movement for pain relief. While it might seem counterintuitive to move when you're experiencing cramps, gentle exercise can be an excellent remedy. Low-impact activities like walking, yoga, or light stretching can help alleviate menstrual discomfort. These exercises increase the circulation in the pelvic region and promote the release of endorphins, your body's natural pain relievers. These endorphins act as mood boosters, helping to reduce the perception of pain. Yoga, in particular, has been shown to be an effective remedy for menstrual cramps. Poses like child's pose, cat-cow, and downward dog can help open up the pelvis and encourage relaxation. A 2024 study showed that women who participated in regular yoga sessions experienced reduced menstrual pain and improved overall quality of life during their periods. Even if you only have 10 to 15 minutes a day, these light exercises can make a big difference in reducing cramp intensity and duration. 3. Essential oils. A soothing touch. Aromatherapy can offer more than just a relaxing scent. Essential oils have been used for centuries for their therapeutic benefits, and they can also be incredibly effective for menstrual cramps. When used for abdominal massage, oils like lavender, peppermint, ginger, and rose have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties that may ease discomfort. To use essential oils for cramps, dilute a few drops of your chosen oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, and gently massage it into your lower abdomen in circular motions. You can also add a few drops of essential oil to your bath for a full-body relaxation experience. Peppermint oil is known for its cooling effect, while lavender offers calming properties. Ginger oil, in particular, is effective for reducing inflammation, which can help ease the pain associated with menstrual cramps. Rose oil is another excellent option for its anti-inflammatory and mood-boosting benefits. 4. Dietary changes. Fueling your body right. What you eat can directly influence how you feel during your period. Certain foods can help reduce menstrual cramps by reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help fight off cramps by reducing inflammation in the body. Omega-3s found in foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts have been shown to reduce the intensity of menstrual cramps. Additionally, staying hydrated is crucial during your period. Dehydration can worsen cramps by increasing muscle tension, so drinking plenty of water is essential. If you struggle with bloating, herbal teas can be soothing and beneficial. Chamomile and fennel tea, for instance, have anti-inflammatory properties and may help alleviate abdominal discomfort. While scientific evidence on the effectiveness of herbal teas for cramps is still limited, they are worth trying for their soothing warmth and calming properties. Another dietary tip is to reduce your intake of salt, caffeine, and sugar. These can contribute to bloating and worsen the discomfort associated with menstruation. Instead, focus on a balanced, fiber-rich diet to help keep your digestive system functioning smoothly and reduce abdominal bloating. 5. Over-the-counter medications. When to consider them. If natural remedies aren't providing sufficient relief, over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen, aspirin, or naproxen can be effective in reducing inflammation and pain. These medications are often the go-to for those who experience moderate to severe cramps. However, it's important to follow the dosage recommendations carefully and avoid overuse, as long-term reliance on medication can have side effects. If you find that over-the-counter medication isn't enough, it may be worth consulting with a healthcare professional. Prescription-strength pain relievers or hormonal birth control methods can help regulate your menstrual cycle and reduce the severity of cramps for those with particularly painful periods. When to contact a doctor. While menstrual cramps are common, there are instances where they might signal an underlying health condition. If your cramps worsen over time, last longer than usual, or interfere with your daily activities, it's a good idea to contact a healthcare provider. Conditions like endometriosis, fibroids, and pelvic inflammatory disease can cause more severe pain and require specific treatment. If you experience any of the following, it's time to reach out to a doctor. Pain that gets worse with each cycle or as you age. Very heavy bleeding or clots. Severe pain that doesn't improve with home remedies. Cramps that interfere with work, school, or daily life. Your doctor can help determine the cause of your pain and suggest the best course of action, whether it's through lifestyle changes, medications, or further testing. Frequently asked questions. What is the best tea for menstrual cramps? While there is no definitive best tea, several herbal teas may help. Chamomile and ginger tea are often recommended for their anti-inflammatory and muscle-relaxing properties. However, more research is needed to confirm their effectiveness for cramps. Can juices help with period cramps? Juices from fruits and vegetables like pineapples, oranges, and cucumbers, which are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, can support overall health and hydration. However, there's no strong evidence suggesting that drinking specific juices will directly alleviate cramps. What can make period cramps worse? Several factors can increase the severity of menstrual cramps, such as a family history of cramps, obesity, smoking, high stress, or conditions like endometriosis and fibroids. If any of these factors apply, it may be helpful to work with a healthcare provider to manage symptoms effectively. Conclusion: finding relief. Menstrual cramps are a normal part of many people's period experience, but they don't have to control your life. From applying heat to engaging in gentle exercise, there are many natural remedies you can try to ease discomfort and make your period more manageable. If these solutions aren't enough, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare provider to explore further options. With the right approach, you can find relief and take charge of your menstrual health. Hit subscribe for more tips, like if you found this helpful, and drop your favorite remedies in the comments.